Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove a part of a video in CapCut PC. Select your video and select the part you want to remove. For instance, you want to remove the video where they throw the hat for some reasons. And then you want to remove this part. So just hit the split button or press, what is this, Control B on your keyboard. You can adjust shortcuts up here, but I have it at Control B. Then you're just going to delete that part. You can also remove parts using this, delete left, or you can also press this, which deletes the right side of the right part of the video. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!